Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hyperlink text here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do. And first off, we want to find the text which we want to hyperlink. This is especially useful if you're designing Shopify banners, product PDFs, lead magnets, or marketing materials where you want viewers to click through to another page. Now, for this example, we're going to click on Learn More. Then, we want to come to the three dots just here, and then we can click on a link. So right here is where we can enter the link of the destination. That's where we want the text to go to, whether that's a product page, a collection, a contact form, or an external website. So for this example, I'm just going to put my YouTube channel just like that. Then from here, all I have to do is click on Done. And now, this text just here has been hyperlinked to my YouTube channel, as we can see the link just here. This makes your design interactive instead of just visual. Now, if we just make this like that to make it fit better, there we go. Now, if we download this as a PDF, so if we come to Download PDF, and then let's just click Download, just like that, we can now see that the Learn More is in fact now clickable because we've turned it into a hyperlink. This is important to note because hyperlinks work in formats like PDFs and presentations, which is perfect for Shopify downloads, email attachments, and digital guides. Now, at any point we want to change the hyperlink, we can simply click onto the text, come to this little pen icon, and click on Edit Link. Then we can change the link and then click Done, which is helpful if you update a product URL or want to test a different destination. Now, if we want to delete this, we can also click back onto the text, click onto Edit Link, and then we can delete just here. So if we click there, we're going to click on Remove, and now that has been removed. This is useful if you no longer want the text to be clickable, or if the link is no longer relevant. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to hyperlink text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.